In 1986, I published the book Desert Birds of Israel. I came to America in 1989 and I sold all my Nikon equipment. I stopped photographer. I become a carpet cleaner. 3 years later, 1992, I invented a new cleaning process that's calling PetPeePee. I invented a natural, organic cleaning product from the Dead Sea. You're welcome to visit petpeepee.com and you will see my invention here in the Great America. In 2008, I went back again to the photography. I purchased a new Nikon and I start taking pictures. My artwork is different than any other artwork I saw till today. Not just taking in pictures of beautiful birds. I decide to make a ceiling artwork, 360 degrees, 20 minutes of nature in one picture. So all the birds that I saw in 20 minutes, I put them together in one artwork. Artwork that reflect the beauty of nature. The Everglades, Wakadahachi, Green Cay, Dinner Island, all of them in one artwork. I know it's take more than 20 minutes to travel between each location. In my imagination, it takes 20 minutes. Take a look at this beautiful story of the great blue heron nesting. The female standing on the spot that she chose to have their home for the next 3 months. All the birds around going to their business, and the great blue heron, the female, calling everybody, all the males around. Hey, come over. Be my husband for the next 6 months. We're going to raise a family. We're going to have chick. We're going to have a new generation. This is our purpose in life. So all the male coming around, and looking at the female, and each one of them start fighting to reach this beautiful lady. The sunset already coming down, and all the birds going to their business. The great blue heron fighting for their gene to pass to the next generation. Thank you for watching my artwork. You're welcome to look at my website, or please subscribe for more video coming soon. Meir Martin, Artwork.